Okay, so yesterday they make a wire fencing here. Yeah, so there until that side. Because that wire fencing there, that is from neighbor already. Mhm. Until here. Okay, so this is a slant. The properties is slant, not straight. Pillar stone. Okay, they did not cut this tree. They should cut this tree actually. So mango is not for us. They cut this tree. The work is pending. The worker are not here. I don't know where they go. We're trying to find the workers. Okay. So like that. This is what they have finished yesterday. This fence. From morning until evening. Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning.